If you have fine, thinning hair, or if you have hair loss on top of the head or back of the head or under a certain area, there are many different ways that you can just kind of camouflage and disguise that area. There's several ways that you can learn how to style the hair. You can cover it up with hair. You can cover it up with certain kind of hair fibers. Oh my God, I love those hair fibers. They are truly life-saving. Finding the right match and texture for your hair is extremely crucial for those hair fibers. Other things that you can do are using right kind of toppers. Toppers come in many sizes and shapes. Toppers can be something as small as this and as large as your whole head. And then that comes in with different types of attachment. You have the tape-ons, clip-ons, I would say adhesive attached, you have beaded, bonded, and many more. So that is why we're here, and we would like to discuss that with you.